I'm just carrying on with the welding on the end cap. So I've cut, can't really see it from there, probably. I've ground out, I've done the one run on the inside, I'm just going to grind out, I've ground out that on the inside. Just going to finish this off. Going to do a little quick token video of turning this down. I know it's not much of a job, but it's got to be done. I haven't really got that much else to do, to be honest. Just thought it might look quite good in high speed. Just mark it before we go. Just thought I'd try a different angle on the camera. I wouldn't do this for any for most things because it'll fly stuff all over the camera, but just for this particular thing, it doesn't really matter. So that's the 40mm blank machined flat. Now what I'm going to do is I've got a bag full here. These are the Blue Globe high pressure cable penetrators, and I'm going to put, these are M20 by 1.5, and I'm going to put 4 like that. Gives me 4 decent sized cables through into the battery pod. I can't remember off the top of my head what the cable size is, but it's plenty big enough. I did think I was going to originally put this on the rotary table and drill these, but changed my mind and I'm going to do it on the lathe. I think it'll be easier.